And hey guys, here's just an idea of like how much stuff you can get in this bag. So this is just some random clothes and stuff I've got laying around, but a pair of boots, another pair of boots, no problem there. Whole bunch of sweatshirts, sweatpants. You gotta bug out, you gotta go, you gotta fill your bag, you're in a hurry, no problem, and a ton of room to spare. I could really pack this thing down and get a lot more stuff in it. Hi there YouTube friends, this is Lester Verano, and this is going to be a live unbox of the Saddleback Leather Beast duffel bag. I took a long time making up my mind to buy this bag, but in my eyes I'm buying something that's gonna last me for the rest of my life, and I don't make a white collar wage. I'm a blue collar worker, so when I spend my money I want to make sure I do it right the first time, and I've searched long and hard for a really great bag that's gonna serve a lot of purposes for me, and the Saddleback Leather Beast duffel bag is what I chose. And with the 100-year warranty and the over-engineered no breakable parts, that is what sold me on this bag. I just want something that is going to be maintenance free forever, and this is it. So thanks. Check out the unbox. I hope you enjoy, like, and subscribe. Hi there YouTube friends, this is Lester Verano, and today we are going to do a live unboxing of the Saddleback Leather Beast duffel bag. Now I've been really kind of taking my time for a while deciding when I was going to buy this bag. It's a really expensive duffel bag, and it's just something that it wasn't a top priority for me to get. So I wanted to get my savings a little bit higher before I went ahead and plunked down the amount of money I did on this. Now I did get mine with a little discount, but this is about $1,000 duffel bag. So let's just get the unboxing going here. So I just picked it up from UPS, and it hasn't been opened yet, so I haven't seen it yet. But I can tell you that the shipping weight was about 17 pounds, so it's a really large duffel bag. Here we go here. All right, cat off the set. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right. So, just a big old plain box. Now, when I went to the website about a week ago, today's August the 10th, I went to the website about a week ago, and this color was sold out. A lot of other colors were sold out as well. And I've noticed that this bag comes on and off in its availability comes and goes on the website. And you know, just like me, I always wait too long for something and then I miss out on it. And I didn't really want to miss out on this because I like to spend my money on stuff that's going to last a lifetime whenever I can. Alright, so I'll get back to that thought. Let me pull this thing out. Whoa. Right off the bat, this thing's got some serious weight to it. When I pick this thing up, it doesn't feel, there's nothing lightweight about this. Get it open here. Yep, that's a lot of what I expected in quality. The smell is super strong. You can smell the leather. It really kicks you in the face, and it smells great. Keep on going here. This is about the best camera angle I can get. There's a lot of other places I was thinking about doing this review, but this is probably the place in my apartment, my little apartment, where I have the most light, so this is where it's going down. Alright, so comes of plastic on it, and there it is. This is the Beast Saddleback leather duffel bag, and this is the coffee brown color. I wanted something that is going to last a lifetime. I want a single duffel bag because I want an ultimate bag, like almost like a bug out bag. If I had to pick up and leave and fit as much of my stuff as I wanted to take into one bag, I want one bag that can handle a lot of stuff. One bag I'm not going to have to worry about, and that's this bag right here. I wouldn't have any problem putting firearms in here. I wouldn't have any problem putting you know, any kind of heavy duty metal item in here. It's got straps. It doesn't have buttons. Sorry, I've been kind of lingering a long time without turning this bag, but it's got straps. 1, 2, 3, one on the side here, one on the side here. And it's got a hole. One of the strap goes like right up through a hole here on the side. Now this is an on-the-fly video review. I didn't plan this out. It's a true unboxing. I'm just kind of like seeing this for the first time myself. The first time I'm ever putting my hands on one. So, okay, more paper inside. The inside is a different color. And you can just see how much paper is coming out of this. And yeah, that's pretty badass. And then they said it takes like almost like a whole cow to make this thing. So a cow died for me to have this bag, so I appreciate it. There's like, oh yeah, hung up here. Yeah, a little hung up here. Yeah, but this is what I worked a lot of my overtime for. I really wanted to get something nice for myself. You can see the inside's pretty huge. I mean, this thing is no doubt would be tough enough to put. You could put tools in this thing. I mean, you could fill this thing with tools if you wanted to, and it'd be fine. It's not going to break down. So that's kind of the inside. And what I like about it is, because I live in a little apartment, I don't really like having furniture at all, to be truthful, because if I want to move, furniture is just a burden. It's something you got to get rid of. When I'm here in the apartment, I could set this bag on the floor, and that's actually one of my plans for it. When I'm not using it for travel or whatever, I plan to just set this thing on the floor and just throw t-shirts, underwear, and socks in it. And then it's sort of just can just sit there as like a, you know, like a piece of furniture. It's going to still have a purpose when I'm not using it for travel. So, because it's so huge, you know, and it's got a pocket, a huge pocket on the inside on each side, and that's it. There's no zippers or any nonsense like that. I see rivets everywhere on it, and the leather is thick. And yeah, so that's the Saddleback leather Beast duffel bag, and you can get this on the website right now. Today is August 10th, 2018, and I know I'm pretty sure they have every color in stock right now, which is why I jumped on this. I didn't want to wait any longer and take the chance of them, you know, maybe not making it this color anymore, or not making the bag anymore, or something like that. Because I've really been wanting this bag for a long time. If you're like a prepper and you want a bug out bag, and this would be the bag I would go to, no matter what, is you could fit, you know, if you have guns, you could fit guns and ammo in here. You could fit several sets of clothing in here. You could put water in here, like water bottles. You could put, you know, there's just no end to what you could put in this thing, and you could get a lot. You know, if you had to just pick up your stuff and go, you could take a lot of stuff that you own and fit it in here. You'd only have to worry about all your stuff being in one bag. I think the video's gone on long enough. I think you guys should have a nice visual of the bag and I hope you can appreciate the review for something. I mean, if this is something that you're considering going out and buying, it's always good to get as many perspectives on an item as you can before you go out and plunk down as much money as you're going to plunk down on this bag. So thanks for checking out the video. Like and subscribe. I kind of just do random videos whenever I get the urge to do so. I haven't quite found what my specialty on YouTube is going to be, but I definitely like trying my hand at videos and getting comfortable doing videos. So hopefully in the future I can find a niche and do a lot more videos for my YouTube friends out there. Take care.